Amazing.
Wow! Are you serious?
We go the other way.
Wow!
Amazing.
Holy moly.
That one's gonna be a good one.
Holy moly. Oh,
Great.
that's the one. That's the one.
Amazing.
Ooh.
Oh!
Well done.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Oh! Yes, thank you.
Well done. Leg. Just the important thing here is to just relax. Push you around. And just hold on over here. Lovely.
Yep, see this one. Mm-hmm.
One sec. Amazing, that was it. Have a lay onto your back.
Did you feel like?
I'm good.
Same as before. So just straighten this leg.
Yep.
Place the foot there.
Yep.
One arm up here. I did this one already.
I feel the stretch already.
Alright.
Oh.
Amazing. And have a lay onto your back for me, please.
I can't wait.